Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another tutorial. How to add WhatsApp button to the page. We go to the page, click on it, and here we have the pages. We are going to choose the page we want to add the WhatsApp button on. Now we are here on the page. We don't have a WhatsApp button. Now we stay on the left, we go to the settings. We click on it and we stay on the left. Now we see WhatsApp. Click on it. Here we go. We have the logo of the WhatsApp. Here we have the business, WhatsApp business, and here the logo of WhatsApp used by most people. And here I already have the number. My number is already there, and we click on continue. Here we're gonna receive a code sent on that number we want to add, and we're going to put it in there. So I write the code, put it, and I click confirm. Here we go. Now it's been connected. Now it's been connected to the page. So now we're gonna add the button to the page. We click on add button. Here we have the choice to create a post. We click on create a post. There we go. We're gonna write something. Morning. And here we have the WhatsApp button already there. Click on it and we click post. Which more not interesting. Here already have a post. And now we go to the page. Now we are here on the page. Back here, we look for the button. We want to edit WhatsApp button and click here. Have the test button. Want to get message. Want to edit. You can also edit. Have the choice. Here we go. We have the WhatsApp button on the page, as we saw on the post. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day and see you next time for another episode.